Hi all my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. Today I'd like to share with you 3 super tasty cucumber salad recipes. They are the perfect recipes for this summer. Julienne the cucumber. In a large bowl, transfer in the tofu slices and pour in the hot water. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. Discard the water and drain. To make the sauce, in a bowl, mix in the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, chili oil, and Sichuan peppercorn oil. Transfer in the tofu slices, cucumber, sauce, and cilantro. So good. Slice the cucumber. On a plate, transfer in the cucumber, salt, rice vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, Korean red chili flakes. Top with sesame seeds. Wow. Slice the cucumber into bite-sized pieces. Slice the apple into bite-sized pieces. You can also soak the apple in salt water so it doesn't turn dark easily. Slice the ham into cubes. Mix in the sour cream, lemon juice, honey, salt, and black pepper. On a plate, we're going to transfer in the cucumber, apple, ham, They all have their own characteristics. So if you're gonna ask me which one do you like it better, it is really hard to say. I prefer all of them. So for this one, it is so comforting. It's perfect for summer because it's really satisfying, but at the same time it's really refreshing. And for this one, it's the Korean style. It's perfect with Korean barbecue, Korean tofu soup. And for this one, it's also so delicious. It's really creamy, but at the same time, it's really refreshing. Comment below and let me know which one do you like it better. This one, or this one? Alright, so I will see you again next Friday for another awesome recipe. Subscribe, thumbs up. Bye for now!